Hello friends, how are you all? Okay, almost you are fine. Okay, today we are going to continue exercise 2.3. Already you know we have started chapter number 2, fractions and decimal. Before starting this session, I want to tell you, if you are newer in my channel Master Academy, please subscribe it and press on a bell icon so you will get your notification. मेरे भाइयों, अगर आप मेरे चैनल के ऊपर नए हैं, अगर आप पहली बार मेरे चैनल का वीडियो देख रहे हैं, इससे पहले मैं आप सबका मैं हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं और उसको सब्सक्राइब भी करें, उसको लाइक भी दें और दूसरों तक पहुंचाने में उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जिस बंदे को या बंदी को अगर ये वीडियो की ज़रूरत है तो उसको नॉलेज भी मिलती रहे।
Question number 4, which is greater? 1. 2/7 of 3/4. Okay, this number, or 3/5 of 5/8. Which number is bigger? This number or this number, right? So first we are going to find out 2/7 of 3/4, right? Okay, so 2/7 of 3/4. Okay, so you know very well what is the meaning of off. Off, it means multiplication. Yes or no? So 2/7 multiply 3/4. Okay, now try to reduce the number, right? So here 2/7 multiplied by 3/4. I have written here 2 multiplied by 3/7 multiplied by 4. Okay, speak the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So obviously these 2 and these 2, how these 2 will become? Beta, can I write 2 2 ja 4? Yes or no? Can I write 2 2 ja 4? Okay, then these 2 and these 2 will be cut. So remaining number is 3/7 to the 14. Understood? So remaining number is 7 to the 14. It means 3/14. Okay? Now leave it. Now we will move. अभी उसको छोड़ देना है, बाद में मैं ये पॉइंट पे आता हूँ. Now look at this side. ये छोड़ देता हूँ. We will discuss this all 4 steps after later. Okay, now here 3/5 of 5/8. Okay, what is the meaning of off? Off, it means multiplication. Okay, so here 3/5 multiplied by 5/8. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 5 upon 5 multiplied by 8. You can see this 5 and this 5 will be cut directly. So remaining number is 3/8. Okay, so remaining number is 3/8. Okay, now you can look at this side. We will find out the LCM of 14 and 8 because we are going to find out which number is greater. Okay, so first here this 3/40 denominator is 14. Here 3/8 the denominator is 8. So we are going to find out the LCM of 14 and 8. So here you can see 14 and 8. So we will start from table of 2. Okay, so 2 7 ja 14 and 2 4 ja 8. Again we will continue with table of 2. Okay, these 2 7 as it is. Okay, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, now again 2, 7 as it is, 2 1 ja 2, and last 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. So LCM of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 56. 56. Okay. So here you can see beta 3 upon 14. Look at this side. 3 upon 14. So beta we will cut 2 7 ja 14. So remaining number is 2 2 ja 4, right? Okay. So we will multiply by 4 up and divide by also 4. So 3 upon 14 multiplied by 4 upon 4. It means we are trying to make a same denominator, right? Understood? We are going to make same denominator. So here you can see 14. Okay. So we cut 2 7 ja 14. So remaining number is 2 2 ja 4. So we are going to multiply in the numerator and denominator both 4 4 only. Okay. So directly I have multiplied here 4 3 ja 12 and 14 4 ja 56. Understood? In the same way 3 upon 8. The 3 upon 8, 2 2 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. So remaining number is 7. So we will multiply 7 in the denominator also and numerator also, both. So 3 upon 8 multiplied by 7 upon 7. Now 7 3 ja 21 upon 7 is 7 ja 56. Obviously you can see which number is bigger, 12 or 21. Obviously 21 is the biggest number. So the symbol, so which number is bigger? 3 upon 5 of it means this number is bigger. Okay, this number is bigger. Clear? Okay. Now we will move on. Question number 5. Shelly plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. Find the distance between first and last sapling. Here you can see beta, first sapling, second sapling, third sapling and fourth sapling. Here you can see the distance between first sapling and second sapling is equal to 3 upon 4 meter. In the same way, second sapling and third sapling, the distance is 3 upon 4 meter. Same thing. Here in a third sapling and fourth sapling, the distance is also 3 upon 4 meter. Okay. So we are going to find out the distance between here you can see this is 1 and this is 4. So we are going to find out the distance this. Okay, kitna distance hai? That this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, दोनों के बीच का distance 1, second and third. Okay, so here you can see Shelly plants 4 saplings. Distance between 2 adjacent saplings is equal to 3 upon 4 meter. And here the last distance between first and last sapling is equal to, I have written here 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. How can I have written this 3 beta? मैंने ये 3 कैसे लिखा? Look at this side. Distance number 1, distance number 2, and distance number 3. So total 3 distances. Okay, and there are 4 saplings. Therefore, we have multiplied by this 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. So you know very well we are going to multiply all the denominators and all the numerators, right? So here 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. So 3 3 is 9 upon 4. Okay, so 9 divided by 4, it means 4 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So what is answer? The answer is 2 integer 1 upon 4. Understood? This is your answer, and this is your distance between first sapling to last sapling is equal to 2 integer 1 upon 4. Okay. Now we will move on to question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 1 integer 3 upon 4 hours every day. She reads entire books in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Okay, you know very well. She reads entire book in how many days? Obviously you are telling, sir, Lipika reads entire book in 6 days. So number of days is equal to 6. And she reads daily book how many hours? 1 integer 3 upon 4. So reading hours per day is equal to 1 integer 3 upon 4. Now my dear students, look at this side. This is which fraction? This is a mixed fraction. So what we have to do first? We are going to convert into simple fraction. Understood? Now you can see here 4 1 is 4. After multiplying 1 and 4, we will add by 3. So 4 1 is 4 plus 3. 7 upon 4. Okay? Clear? So we are going to find out the total hours. The total hour is equal to 6 multiplied by 7 upon 4. Okay. So here beta I have written 3 multiplied by 2 instead of 6, and upon 4 we have written 2 multiplied by 2 instead of 4. Okay. Clear? And same thing, same step I have written here, and here these 2 and these 2 will be cut. So beta remaining number is 3 and 7. So 3 7 is 21 upon 2. And this is an improper fraction, and therefore we have to divide by 2 here. So 21 divided by 2, 2 1 is 2. Okay, so 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and carry out by 1. Okay, so it is not possible, therefore we have added extra 0 here. We have put extra 0 here. Okay, so what is answer? The answer is 10 integer 1 upon 2. 10 integer 1 upon 2 hours. Clear?
Question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 upon 4 liters of petrol? Okay. So per liter 16 kilometer distance will be covered by the car. So it fills how many liter of petrol? 2 integer 3 upon 4 of liter petrol, right? So distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 16 kilometer. Distance covered using is equal to 2 integer 3 upon 4. So here you can see beta, this is the mixed fraction. So we are going to convert into simple fraction. The 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 upon 4. So total distance is equal to 16 multiplied by 11 upon 4. So here you can see I have explained step this here. 4 4 ja 16. Okay, understood or not? Otherwise, can I write 4 4 ja 16? Clear? So this 4 and this 4 will be cut. The 11 4 ja 14 kilometer. So my dear students, today I have completed exercise 2.3. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, you can drop your message in the comment section box. Otherwise, you can contact me. Till that, complete your notebook, CW book. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.